Welcome to List It Live, where we give you a guided tour of San Diego's hottest home for sale. I'm here with Rebecca Mon.
Thanks for having me, Courtney.
Thanks for coming in today, and excited to share another listing. This one is located in Fallbrook. It's a 6-bedroom, 4-bathroom, over 3,700 square feet. Tell us about this home and why a buyer should go out and see it.
Well, this is a fantastic home in a great area right off of Retchie Road. You can walk to several churches. You can walk to several schools. It is 3/4 of an acre. You'll see it has a large space in the front. It actually has pretty much a driveway on the left, a driveway in the center, and a driveway on the right. You can see it is a pool home, very large pool home with jacuzzi. It's even got one of those fun slides on it. The home, oh, and do you see the huge garage-like structure on the left there? That is 60 feet long, 16 feet wide, 16 feet high. Could easily be an RV garage. They have it separated right now into 2 enormous workshops and a loft for storage. It's actually like 2 parts. The part there that you see on the right is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath casita with a open kitchen, living room, dining area. The bathroom is not fully finished. The shower is still being done. I do not know if that will be done before the house is sold. And then on the left, this is in the main home, which is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath. And you can see the kitchen is beautifully upgraded with beautiful black granite and really nice cupboards, large kitchen island. You're looking out those windows into the pool area. It's a great home for entertaining. I love the high ceilings and the beams inside of this home. This enormous room is really like the dining room with an eat-in, a pass-through into the kitchen, but it's huge. All of the rooms are really big. This is, I think, my favorite room of the home. You can open those huge windows and look out onto the property itself. Big fireplace, but I love the high beams. I love the ceiling. I love the wood. I love everything about it. It's just really a very big and grand. This is another room. This is like the living room. The other one would be the family room. You can see it's a double-sided fireplace. This is just a great entertainer's home or a great home for a family with a big group of people, or multi-generational with that casita on the side. This is the main area in the casita. And you can see you're looking out the sliders to the pool area. This is where the dining room, kind of living room, and little kitchenette is in there. And those other ones are the 2 rooms. This is back into the main house. This is the primary bedroom. It's huge with glass sliders stepping out into the back of the property. It has 2 closets. This is another one of the bedrooms in the primary bedroom. You see they're big. Every room in this home is very large with closets. Okay, now we are into that large garage-like structure. I'm telling you, 16 feet wide, 16 feet high, 40 feet long. This is only half that you're seeing here because it is split into 2 of these workshops, and in the other one, there is a loft for storage. This could be just anything. Garage, workshop, RV storage, you name it. Tons of parking. It's in a great area, and yet there's no HOA, nothing. So, I mean, a really good area of Fallbrook. I'm doing an open house here this Saturday from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Really needs to be seen. I mean, like I said, option maybe for a rental in the casita or, multi-generational. If you've got mom living with you or an older child or something, there's a lot of opportunity here.
Right, and you said it, yep, lots of opportunity, so much space, and like you said, it's on a big acre as well.
3/4 of an acre. So, and single story, no steps anywhere.
So that's something where, a buyer can come in and, they could really utilize that for multi-generation, rentals, kind of whatever they would want. So really great opportunity. If you're watching this, be sure to stop by the open house this weekend or give Rebecca a call for a private showing if you're looking at this or maybe something else like it in the area. Thanks so much.
Thank you.